Good morning, sir. I'm Luke Elgin Garnasi from BSMT1D. I'm going to answer the question, using a physical object of your choice, demonstrate and illustrate God's existence in relation to modern scientific discoveries on either irreducible complexity or information about DNA. And I choose irreducible complexity, and I choose the object, pentel pen. Now, the pentel pen has its different parts like the ink, the tip, the ballpoint or fiber tip, the spring for correctable pens, click mechanism, and outer casing. Now, each part of it has a different function. If you remove even one of it, like the ink or the tip, the pen has no longer work. It becomes useless as a writing tool. Now, to connect it to irreducible complexity in biology, irreducible complexity, a concept popularized by Michael Behe, refers to a system that have multiple interacting parts stop functioning if any one part is removed. A common example discussed is the bacterial flagellum, a tiny motor-like structure in cells. Like the pen, all its parts must work together for it to function. The pen did not assemble itself randomly. Its parts are arranged in a purposeful way to achieve writing. Therefore, it points a designer, a human engineer. Then, compared to biological system, show a similar or even greater level of complexity or coordination. If a simple pen has a designer, then highly complex living system may suggest a higher intelligence. Now, to relate it in modern sciences, a DNA and a cellular machinery show that DNA contains coded information like language or software. Cells operate like highly organized system with machines working together. This strengthens the analogy. Just as pen requires a designer, the arguments claims that life complex systems may also point to a higher complex being. So, using the pentel pen, you can illustrate this reasoning. If simple irreducibility complex object requires a designer, then complex biological systems might also suggest intentional designs what may identified as God. However, it's important to note that this is philosophical and theological argument, not a universal accepted scientific conclusion, which many scientists explains biological complexity through evolutionary process. That's all, sir. And that is my explanation.